Back on the VL today. As you can see, we've got the whole body pretty well painted now. Just got to do the black on the radiator support, but other than that, it is pretty well done, and I'm stoked how it's come up. Scott's done an incredible job for a shed.
Scott's the bloke hiding in the fridge.
Yeah.
We've still got to get him to sign a waiver so he doesn't get any money out of this.
So now is the fun part of putting it all back together.
And what's that going to entail?
So we're going to do the start on the front end today, get all the K-frame back in. It's all been painted, so we've got all that there. Then we've got some coils we're going to do. So we've got some BC Racing coils. We're going to chop up the old ones and mount them up. Got some new control arms there, 3 rare spares, because I was lazy and couldn't be bothered pushing out all the other bushes and stuff. We've got some Willwood brakes through Rod Shop. Yeah, so it should come together pretty good. All right. Pretty excited.
Let's get into it. Did you paint this, Scott?
We both painted it. He put all the runs in it.
Looks good. Is it heavy, is it?
Oh, it just will be a pain to try and hold there and do all at once.
Yeah, right. What's this low bracket for?
Power steer pump.
Oh, okay.
So it's got the Astra pump in it.
Yeah. Is that a new addition, or did you have that on there?
Nah, I had that before.
Why don't we swap and I do that, because it's really hard watching you do that.
So people, I do still have a bung shoulder, which has made this even more difficult, but we're getting there.
There's no excuse for sticking your tongue out while you do that though.
Yeah. Trader, you can do the other side.
Legit.
Yeah.
Does it just sort of sit there and then
Oh,
it's not really winding on, but that's because you covered it in
Scott did.
Scott did.
Well done.
Yeah.
Other way.
Yeah.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
And all my tools, alright?
So whilst we're doing this, Scott is on another project. So let's go have a look what Scott's up to.
Does Scott need a mic?
So we're painting this tank at the moment. With a candy. Going out pretty good. Why did someone put so much crap on the thread?
It's alright. We don't have many bolts to do today, so
No.
let's forget all of it all.
Yeah.
How tight?
Tight. Once we get that in, we're going to chop the coils down and start welding them together. Put them here.
No, the whole thing's spinning.
It is.
Yeah. It's spinning from the inside there.
So people should listen to Scott and weld them off. I didn't really want to, because I didn't want to f the bolt.
But it's underneath the chassis rail, is it?
Yeah. So let's get and undo all the other ones.
Not my fault, for the record. Wasn't even on tight.
Now what do we do, people? Pulling this back out. I just can't bother putting the stand under it.
We ended up tack welding
That one,
that one
because I didn't do it properly to start with.
because, like you said, should have done it properly, like Scott suggested.
Who invited you around? Make yourself useful and do them up. Now it's time to get these coils in. So we've got the control arms in.
Yep, looks good.
This one squeaks, but anyway, we won't hear that because of. Why won't we hear that, Alex?
Because you'll have a motor.
Ah, with these, got to measure 25 mil up on the old stub axle.
Okay.
Chop the old coil off. We'll clean that up, press that on, load it around.
Sounds easy.
Hopefully, and hopefully it doesn't break. So shops have oil in them, just as a FYI.
Jeez, that's messy.
Hmm.
What should you have done?
Probably like cut a little bit and then drained it or something. I don't really know, but
Probably just drill a hole higher up, couldn't you?
yeah, something. Yeah, instead of cutting it and then like just spraying it all the way everywhere.
All the way down.
Right. Not the best, but it'll do.
Cool.
Give it a quick cool. So you come around here and
Make yourself useful. Hold my nuts.
cut that from the film. Alright, I got your nuts.
Thank you.
Feed that in the hole so I can put your nuts on. Then we can get the camber.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Get that full camber lock.
Initial D spec.
Yep.
Initial D was a show in the 90s.
Yeah,
Electric.
I know. Yeah, I know.
Don't
I
scratch
haven't
the
watched
paint,
it yet. Yeah,
It's
but
super
you've
slow.
told me about it numerous times, and it's not a 13, it's a 12. Just one for the film. These are only just nipped up. We'll wait till the paint cures a little bit more before we go too hard, so we don't crack it too much. All right, remember that camera. So we've got nice, freshly painted sway bar.
Why don't you just get a new one?
There's nothing wrong with the old one, I guess. I don't know. I'm a tight ass.
Don't think anyone can accuse you of that.
No.
So, now we've got coilovers and sway bar. Now we're moving on to brakes. Like and subscribe to Big Boys Toys to see more of the build.